What if you could eliminate 20 hours of repetitive work every single week? Top entrepreneurs are using automation right now to handle everything from customer support to accounting, and you're falling behind if you're not. Businesses waste 40% of time on repetitive tasks. Automation eliminates the strain instantly. Whether it's email sorting, data entry, or customer responses, handles it 24/7 without fatigue. The result? Your team focuses on revenue-generating work. Companies implementing automation see productivity gains within weeks, not months. First, customer service chatbots reduce response time by 90%. Third, invoice processing and financial data entry extracts information instantly, eliminating hours of manual work monthly. Don't overcomplicate this. Start with your most time-consuming task, track it for 1 week. Identify which processes repeat daily, then map them to tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, or Make. Begin with one automation, measure results, then scale. Most businesses see ROI within 30 days. A marketing agency automated lead qualification and freed up 12 hours per week, redirecting that time to client strategy, increasing revenue by 35%. This aren't hypothetical gains. This is happening no-shows by 60%. These aren't hypothetical gains. This is happening no-shows by 60% that actually work. Ray automation is new to you? Subscribe for practical strategies that actually work. Drop a comment. What repetitive task would you automate first?